Welcome back to Jagan for YouTube channel. Hi friends, if you know the answer, pause the video and post your comments. Let's start our questions on this week. First question. Between which was the ancient town of Takshashila located? Answer. Indus and Jhelum. Takshila is located in between River Indus and Hydaspes. River Hydaspes is now known as River Jhelum. It is tributary of River Indus. It is located in Rawalpindi, Punjab. Next question. In which field did Indians in ancient time learn a lot from the Greeks? Answer. Music. Musical instruments such as the seven-holed flute and various types of string instruments such as Ravanahata cymbals have been recovered from Indus Valley civilization archaeological sites. Next question. Which national highway connects Chennai and Visakhapatnam? Answer. NH5. Now it's called as NH16. Please note that. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are connected by National Highway 16. National Highway 16 is a major national highway in India that runs along east coast of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Note that it was previously known as National Highway 5 and now it is National Highway 16. Next question. Who also had the name Devanama Piyadasi? Answer. Mauryan King Ashoka. Ashoka was the third ruler of the illustrious Maurya dynasty and was one of the most powerful kings of the Indian subcontinent in ancient times. His period between 273 BC and 232 BC, almost 10 years, owing to his benevolent nature as a ruler, he was given the title Devanam Priya Priyadarshi. Next question. Prithviraj Chauhan belonged to which Rajput dynasty? Answer. Chandalas and Gahadwalas. Prithviraja III, popularly known as Prithviraj Chauhan or Rai Pitora, was a king from the Chahamana Chauhan dynasty. The combined Chandala Gahadwala army attacked Prithviraj's camp. Next question. Respiration can occur in the absence of oxygen in which thing? Answer. Yeast. Anaerobic respiration is an enzyme-controlled partial breakdown of organic compounds without using oxygen and releases a very less amount of energy as compared to aerobic respiration. This process can occur in certain parasitic worms, animal muscle answer microorganisms like bacteria and yeast. In microorganism, anaerobic respiration is often known as fermentation. Next question. Which is the variety of coal in which the deposit contains recognizable traces of the original plant material? Answer. Peat. Peat is the hardest form of coal and found in deep region under high suppression. Peat contains less than 50% of coal, while others like lignite 65 to 75 and bitumen 85 to 90 and anthracite 90 to 95. So peat is the primary occurrence of coal. Next question. How the Constitution describes India? Answer. As a union of states. It is because of our Constitution delegates powers to both center as well as state. At more power lies with the center. After independence, India as it is now was formed by the decision of the princely states who decided to join India. Next question. What do both respiration and photosynthesis require? Answer. Cytochromes. Both respiration and photosynthesis involve electron transfer across a series of electron carriers embedded in the inner mitochondrial membrane and the thylakoid membranes respectively. Cytochromes are responsible for ATP production, through electron transport and or iron containing proteins. Next question. Who was the first Indian woman to swim across the English Channel? Answer. Arati Saha. She was an Indian Bengali long distance swimmer, best known for becoming the first Asian woman to swim across the English Channel on 29 September 1959. In 1960, she became the first Indian sportswoman to be awarded the Padma Shri. Next question. Where was the Sepoys revolted openly in 1857? Answer. Meerut. The rebellion began on 10th May 1857 in the form of a mutiny of sepoys of the company's army in the garrison town of Meerut, 64 kilometers northeast of Delhi. Nowadays it's called Old Delhi. Next question. Which of the following is used as a moderator in nuclear reactor? Answer. Graphite. Light water is the most commonly used moderator. Solid graphite 20% of reactors and heavy water 5% of reactors are the main alternatives. Next question. What denotes the smallest temperature? Answer. 1 degree on the Kelvin scale, because the difference between the freezing point of water and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees on both the Celsius and Kelvin scales. So the size of a degree Celsius and Kelvin are precisely the same. Next question. Angular separation between two colors of the spectrum depends upon which thing? Answer. Angle of deviation. Angular separation between two colors of the spectrum depends upon angle of deviation. The angle between the direction of the refracted ray and the direction of the incident ray when a ray of light passes from one medium to another. What is a suitable unit for expressing electric field strength? Answer. Newton by Coulomb. The electric field strength is the force per unit charge acting at a point in the field. Thus, field strength equal to force by charge. We know that unit of force is Newton and the unit of charge is Coulomb. Next question. All the watches of a country are set according to which time? Answer. Standard time of the country. Because the same standard time for the whole country has been adopted, the watches show the same time in all parts of the country. It is the synchronization of clocks within a geographical area or region to a single time standard, rather than using solar time or a locally chosen meridian to establish a local mean time standard. Next question. Which city is associated with the river Mekong? Answer. Phnom Penh. Vientiane, Vientiane, the capital of Laos, and Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia, both stand on its banks. About 3/4 of the drainage area of the Mekong lies within the four countries the river traverses on its lower course: Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Next question. What are the main channels of our knowledge about the Indus Valley civilization? Answer. Archaeological excavations. In archaeology, excavation is the exposure, processing, and recording of archaeological remains. An excavation site is a site being studied. It is very helpful to bringing the past to life. Excavation involves the recovery of several types of data from a site. Next question. Which is considered to cause an adverse effect on Indian monsoon? Answer. El Nino. El Nino has been generally known to suppress monsoon rainfall in India, while La Nina increases it. Anomalous warming in the central and east Pacific could have a more profound adverse impact on the monsoon than when the warming shifts to the adjoining far east Pacific. Next question. Archaeopteryx had which reptilian characters? Answer: clawed wings, teeth on jaw, tail. Archaeopteryx, sometimes referred to by its German named Orvogel, is a genus of early bird that is transitional between feathered dinosaurs and modern birds. It shares the following features with the Dinosaurus: jaws with sharp teeth, three fingers with claws, a long bony tail, hyperextensible second toes like killing claw, feathers, and various skeletal features. Next question. Which ruler had granted Diwani to the East Indian Company? Answer: Shah Alam. Their final humiliation came in 1765 when the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam granted the Diwani of Bengal the right to collect the land revenue to the East Indian Company. From then on, the Diwani became the main source of British revenue from India. Next question. A person who lives exclusively on milk, egg, and bread is likely to become a victim of which disease? Answer: scurvy. Scurvy is a disease caused by deficiency of vitamin C, which is present in green vegetables and fresh fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemon are especially rich in vitamin C. If a man is not consuming fresh fruits and vegetables, he is likely to suffer from deficiency of vitamin C, leading to development of scurvy. Next question. The escape velocity from the surface of the earth doesn't depend on which body? Answer: mass of the body. Escape velocity doesn't depend on mass of the body as well as the direction of projection of the body. It only depends on the mass and the radius of the planet or earth from where the body is to be projected. Next question. Which colloids are solvent loving colloids? Answer: lyophilic. Lyo means solvent, philic means loving. When these colloids are mixed with this suitable liquid, high force of attraction exists between colloidal particles and liquid. This results in formation of very stable solution called lyophilic. The last question for this week. The mass energy relation is the outcome of which theory? Answer: special theory of relativity. Albert Einstein proposed the mass energy equivalence relation from his famous special theory of relativity. Einstein's relation is E equal to mc square, expresses the association of mass with every form of energy. Thank you guys. See you soon in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.